Your light kit will include one light bar, a remote control, mounting hardware, and a micro USB cord. Charge the light with the micro USB cord and a 5-volt 1-amp wall charger, not included. Clean mounting surface with a cloth and rubbing alcohol. Separate the strips and press together until they click. Repeat with second set of strips.
Remove one side of liners.
Press firmly for 30 seconds. Remove remaining liners and press onto surface. Press each side firmly for 30 seconds. With the switch controls, change the color temperature to cool or warm, turn light off, or switch to auto. The motion sensor shield detects motion approximately 100 degrees in any direction. Walk-by activation works when the light is on auto. Rotate the sensor shield toward walking traffic for walk-by mode. Rotate the sensor shield toward the wall for wave activation. After no motion is detected for 20 seconds, the light will turn off. With the remote, the maximum operating distance is approximately 20 feet with direct line of sight. Remote options include on, off, warm, cool, 30% light, dimming, and auto-off timer. To recharge the light, grab the edges and peel from the surface. To permanently remove, stretch each strip slowly against the surface at least 6 inches. Never pull the strip away from the surface. Instead, pull along the surface.